Hi guys, this is Adnaan Ahmed. You are watching Technoxity. So guys, in today's video, we are going to talk about a few privacy issues of Zoom and also a few alternatives to Zoom. So make sure you like this video, share this video with your friends, and let's roll the intro. So alright guys, there are a few here changes here on the channel. That is the new banner. Make sure to comment down how the banner looks, and I just made it a little bit small so that it fits into the mobile screen and you guys can see the full banner. So talking about the privacy issues, there are really 4 to 5 issues on Zoom. So I'll leave the link to it in the description. You can go read out the blogs, and that's it guys. And talking about the alternatives for Zoom, nowadays Zoom has just been started growing just by the virtue of coronavirus pandemic, and that's the reason people have started using it. But then for the past 2 to 3 months, the people have started using it, but then in the last 2 to 3 weeks there are some security reasons that have shown up, and the people are worried about that. So guys, here are a few alternatives to that. That is, the first one is Microsoft Teams. So this is also an application that will help you do the same meeting, but then with a good security features. So let's just search for Microsoft Team, and that's the first one there. You can just install this application. You can see the rating, 4.5 star rating. It's just a 41 MB application and 10 million plus downloads. That is 1 crore plus downloads. So guys, so you can just go ahead and download that application, and the reviews are also really good, but then I have never used it. Make sure you check that out, and that's the first application there. So guys, moving towards the second one, it is Skype. Skype is also a popular platform. Hope you guys know it, and the rating is 4.3 star rating and 1 billion plus downloads. Guys, you can see how old the application is and how popular it is, whereas compared to Microsoft Teams, which had only 10 million plus downloads, this has 1 billion plus downloads, guys. So this is also a reliable application. You can go ahead and check that out as well. So guys, moving on to the next one, the third application comes here, and the third application is the Google Hangouts Meet. You can just go ahead and search that, and this is the application. If you live stream through your computer, it also opens up in Hangouts. So that's the like more reliable one, because it has a good quality video, and also the connectivity issues are less, and also privacy issues are also good. So here it has 10 million plus downloads, 9.7 MB is the size. That's the smallest application there, and star rating is 3.7 star. I don't know why, but the people use it, the number of people using it is also less, so it depends on that as well. So moving on to the next one, guys, I don't know how the app looks, but then there is this name, Signal. So Signal private messenger. I don't know whether the video quality is good or bad, but then 10 million plus downloads are there, and 4.5 star rating is there. Fantastic platform with extra layers of security. If you care about that kind of stuff, coming from an IT professional, you should. It's been an default messaging app for like 6 months now, so maybe just a private messaging call. Okay, video calls are also available, so that's the main thing that people require nowadays during the pandemic, and these are the 4 alternatives to Zoom. You can just go ahead and check that out. I am not going to give you a review because people think that it's paid and biased, so make sure you check them out. I'll leave the link to all the 4 in the description, and this video is not at all sponsored. If you guys want, you can just go ahead and search the Google Play Store, and I have no issues with that. So make sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video, share this video with your friends, and meet you in the next one. Until then, keep supporting. Goodbye.